Here I have SONY Ericsson E15i, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly, what you'll have to do is to get yourself this kind of SIM. Like, it's not a micro SIM and not nano SIM, it's like just SIM card this big. Then what you have to do is to remove back cover from this device. You can find like some kind of hatch here. So you just take it off like this. So here you have to insert SIM card. I guess in order to do it we will have to remove battery, but let's try to make it like this. Okay. No way. So first we have to remove battery. What we can do like this. We have to find some kind of hatch here. So you take it from the side of this SIM card slot. So now we can insert it. At least we can try. Oh, finally. It goes pretty hard, but oh yeah, it's in. And here you have SD card slot, and you insert it just like this. Then we put battery back in, put cover back on, and turn on our device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And you can also see the notification with this SD card here, which indicates that, as you can see, blank SD card blank or has unsupported file system, which proves that SD card is also detected. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.